In this video, we're going to share with you how to clean and maintain your RV LP tank. And ours went from this to this, and we're starting right now. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aron with threetailsrv.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. So for the tool that I'm going to be using for the first part of this is going to be a painter's tool. It's a multi-tool. You can find these for like $5 at any of the hardware stores. And I'm going to use the edge to scrape off all of the excess material on the LP tank itself. So let's get started. For this next portion, we're going to go ahead and clean off the tank. So you can go about this one of two ways. You can use a regular garden hose, a scrub brush, and some Dawn liquid detergent to take all the grease and stuff off of that. Or you can go this route. You can use a pressure washer and knock down all that dirt and scrub it down with the same solution. Scrub it all down and then wash it off with this. The only bad part about using a pressure washer is that you could have the chance of removing some of the decals that are already on the tank. So let's go ahead and get that done. And now for the next step, we're going to go ahead and use some blue tape, and we're going to tape off the areas on the tank that we don't want painted. So we're just going to mask everything off. Anything that we don't want painted, we're going to go ahead and mask off, including like this fitting, this whole piece here, and the hose that goes up, the relief valve fitting. We've got our sensor that tells us how full it is, and then we've got our auxiliary tank option here that we need to get that all sealed off, and also the ground component that's over here that runs up this way. All right, so now we're going to go on to the next step. We're going to be using an almond colored Rust-Oleum high performance enamel, and you're going to want to wear gloves, and you're going to wear some clothes that you're not going to care about, because this stuff, once it sticks to you, it's not going to come off. It also has a rust inhibitor, so it will help to protect the tank for many years to come. So we're going to start off with a really light coat, and we'll probably have to do a couple coats to this. Just going to get it all on here. In between coats, we'll come back. Probably put a couple coats on here. You're going to want a paintbrush that you're not going to want to reuse, because once this enamel sets in, it's going to be hard as a rock. So keep that in mind when you're purchasing stuff for this. I just went to Harbor Freight and picked up a few. Actually, I have a box of these that I use for different projects all the time. That way I'm not doing too bad. It's like $5 or $10 for a box of them. And you'll find yourself using them a lot when you're doing different projects around the home or with your RV. So it's not a bad idea to have them on hand. All that was left was to do some touch-up painting and peel off the tape from around the areas that you didn't want to paint, and it comes out just like this. The only other thing that I would like to add to this is that I'm considering putting some of that bed liner on the front cone on the bottom side of this tank once it dries, because that's where all the debris seems to be hitting it and where it will seem to be the most damaged. That way it'll help to protect it a little more. Another pro tip is if you get some of the paint on the edges of this, you can use some 10W40 on a rag, and you can wipe that off, and it comes out smooth. You can't see, but there's a spot up here that I hit it with, and that helped out a lot. I'd like to thank Tim Rover from Tim Rover RVs for inspiring me to complete this project on my RV. Thanks, Tim, for all you do for the RV community, and look forward to seeing some more of your videos. If you'd like to check out his channel, go ahead and hit the card up here or in the description. Hopefully this is a project that you like to take on yourself. It only took me about a day to do it, with all of the different steps that we've shown in today's video. So if that's something you're looking forward to, it's really easy and it should last for years to come. Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to threetailsrv.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.